Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to contact EQ Bank. I know that when you're looking for a new bank, you want to make sure that you can get in touch with them easily. That's why I'm here today to show you how to contact EQ Bank. EQ Bank is a Canadian online bank that offers a variety of banking products and services, including savings accounts, checking accounts, GICs, and mortgages. There are a few different ways to contact EQ Bank. 1. Phone. You can call EQ Bank at 1-866-325-3589. 2. Email. You can email EQ Bank at email address removed. 3. Live chat. You can chat with an EQ Bank representative online. 4. Social media. You can contact EQ Bank on social media. EQ Bank is on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. 5. Mail. You can mail EQ Bank at EQ Bank P.O. Box 5200, Mississauga, Ontario L5P1B2. Additional tips. Be sure to have your account number and password ready when you contact EQ Bank. Be patient. It may take a few minutes to get connected with a representative. Be polite. EQ Bank representatives are always happy to help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. If you have any questions about how to contact EQ Bank, please leave a comment below. You can find more information about EQ Bank on their website, https://www.eqbank.ca. Thanks for watching.